450 people, 1,500 meetings, almost. That's the result of the 3 days Central European Plastics meeting organized 7 times, in this year in Budapest, but the next year we moved toward to Serbia, Novi Sad. So that the 3 days that the main topic of the conference section was how is the status of the European plastics industry, and unfortunately our statement was a very pessimistic note. What could we do? How we can improve the competitiveness of the European plastics industry and polymer production? There is no exact answer from the conference side, but everyone is agreed with us that it is needed to do something on European level. We should restore anyhow the competitiveness of the European plastics industry. Therefore, we issuing a declaration yesterday evening because the recyclation sector is the biggest problem, that the wave of the bankruptcy is visible in every country, and we want to save the European recyclation sector because the 2030 is very close, and therefore we need a capacity which will fulfill the requirement of this legislation which is imposing that time. So that the declaration is about that we need some immediate action to improve the demand in the recyclation. It means that we shouldn't invent the hot water again. We should produce from recyclation material, the recyclated plastics, what we can, what we know. That I think it should be obligatory to producing shopping bags from recyclated materials and several products. And one of the very important issue was a yesterday conference section that we need for improving the recyclation sector, improving and extending the product portfolio. We need the European rules and the European standards in the waste management, because I think the comparable waste is important. We have no enough quantity, certain fraction, but we need it for the plastics production. The next event that we made some changes because that we think that we should think in regional level, not the country level, and Serbia is very close to us, and Serbia is the country which is not the member of the European Union but absolutely accepted all of the European legislation. But because, as I mentioned, in Europe it needs some changes, I think that Serbia could be the laboratory when we starting these changes. Therefore we choosing Serbia, Novi Sad next year, mid of June. We moving toward to Serbia because that I think it's the former Yugoslavian countries shows that impressive development, and there will be the first sector, the first region where is the plastics industry is growing.